Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Understanding tactics for playing against long pips players. Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. Today, let's learn how the pro player Zhou Yu, Chinese national table tennis player, defeated the long pimple player. Playing against a long pips blocker can be a challenging experience in table tennis, but with the right tactics, you can turn the tables in your favor. The challenge of playing against long pips. When playing against a long pips player, the ball doesn't grip the pips as effectively, causing your own spin to come back at you with unexpected variations. For instance, when you serve heavy backspin to a long pips player, the ball will come back with some topspin regardless of their stroke, hit, block, or push. Similarly, if you loop the ball with extreme topspin, it will come back with backspin. It's not about what stroke your opponent uses, but rather the spin you impart on the ball.
是国家队的周瑜啊。现在给我们解说的是张强啊，也不要太着急，耐心一点。
Tactics for playing against long pips players. Number 1, find your rhythm. The fundamental tactic when facing long pips players is to focus on recognizing the spin and finding your rhythm. Avoid attempting too many spin variations, as they can often confuse you more than your opponent. Additionally, it's crucial to steer clear of putting side spin on the ball, as this can lead to unpredictable outcomes. Number 2, use long and deep serve. Begin the game with a deep backspin serve. Ensuring the serve lands deep on the opponent's side is crucial because it forces them to return the ball deeper as well. This, in turn, provides you with an easier opportunity for your first attack.
你们退出一下再进啊，退出。 在正手发球，这球不转。这球虽然
Number 3. Attack to the wide angle. After executing the deep backspin serve, follow up with a well-controlled forward loop that combines speed and spin. The topspin ball you receive as a result of your serve is likely to be ideal for an attacking shot. Focus on driving the ball forward while maintaining consistency by adding controlled spin. Try to attack to the wide angle and you will win more points.
耐心一点。长输不上啊，长输不上。
好的，好的。喂。不好，踢长，这个脚手啊，3个2胜， 专业的拳，
对对。
哇，
没有这么紧张。
Number 4, control the rallies. This stage is where the challenge intensifies. When your opponent blocks your powerful loop, expect a fast line drive chop coming back at you like a bullet. To counter this shot effectively, you need to execute a push with spin, either early or late. Push the ball as soon as it bounces or when it's descending to keep it low. Mastering this critical ball exchange is pivotal in the overall tactics against long pips players, as it allows you to restart the cycle of looping and pushing. By employing these tactics and understanding the dynamics of spin against long pips players, you'll be better equipped to handle their tricky gameplay and gain an advantage in your matches.
好的，好的。喂。
不好。
踢长，
这个脚手啊，3对2胜。
专业的拳。
对。
哇！
这个这么急？不好。
好的。所以要不要？呀！好。
赛点。
好家伙，好。
最后是2比0，战胜李渊。
好的，打得稍微。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.